Hello.
हेलो
Hello. Mm-hmm.
से କିଛି କହିବନି ହେଲା ଆଇ ଲଭ୍
କଣ?
ଆଇ ଲଭ୍
ହଁ।
ଆଇ ଲଭ୍ ୟୁ
Spell the word.
क्या
Spell the word.
ସତରେ କହୁଛି ଆଇ ଲଭ୍ ୟୁ
Could you please spell the word that what you're saying?
କଣ କହିଲୁ?
Could you please spell the word that what you're saying?
ସତରେ ମୁଁ ତତେ ବହୁତ ମାନେ
That is what I'm asking you. Could you please spell the word that what you're saying?
ନା ସେ କଥା ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବିନି କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋ ଜୀବନରେ ବହୁତ ତତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ରଖିବି ହେଲା।
Hey, what do you do? How could you do that?
ବହୁତ ଭଲ ରଖିବି ସତରେ।
And what makes you say that?
ତୁ ଆଇ
Uh-huh.
ସତରେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ
What
ରଖିବି।
makes you say that? That is what I'm asking you. What makes you say that?
କହିପାରିବିନି ସତରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେ ସତେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ରଖିବି ଆସି। ଆଇ ଲଭ୍ ୟୁ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି ସତରେ।
Uh-huh.
ଆଇ ଲଭ୍ ୟୁ
That is what I'm asking you. Just spell the word. Just spell the word that you're saying.
I really love you.
Could you please spell the word that is what you're saying?
What are doing? I really love you.
I just want you to spell the word. Spell the particular sentence that was you're saying.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କିଛି I really love you.
Just spell the word for me. Just spell 2 words at least.
No.
You can't spell the word?
ଯିଏ ଯାହାକୁ ଯେତେ ଲଭ୍ କରେ ସିଏ ତାକୁ ମାନେ ଏଇ ଗୋଟାକ ଶବ୍ଦ କହେ ଆଉ କିଛି ବି ସେ ତା ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି କୁହନି ଜାଣେନି ହେଲା। I really love you. ଜୀବନରେ ମୁଁ ତ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ରଖିବି ରେ।
How would you do that? What do you do?
I really love you. ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କିଛି ସତରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରେ।
That is what
I
I'm
really
asking
love
you.
you.
That is what I'm asking you.
ଆସି
I just want to have a
No.
conversation with you.
ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି ସତ ସେ କଥା ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି କିନ୍ତୁ
I'm not here to listen what you want and what you don't want. I just want to have a clear conversation. What do you do and how would you do that? First of all, just spell the 2 words for me. Just
no
spell at least 2
you are
words and
you are not accepted.
what? I'm not what?
You are not accepted in my love.
I'm not what?
No, you are not accepted my love.
Okay, spell the word. Spell the word. You're not clear on the conversation. You're not clear on your
No.
pronunciation part.
What? You are not accepted my love.
What do I need to do? What? You just be clear. Clear with your
I
pronunciation.
love you.
Okay, be clear with your pronunciation and spell the word for me.
ନା ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା କହୁନି ମୋ
Just speak in
ଜୀବନ
English with me. Could you please speak in English?
ମାନେ ଇଂଲିଶ ସେ କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁନି।
Just speak in English.
ବିଶ୍ୱକରେ ଆସି ମୁଁ ରିଅଲ ଲଭ୍ ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବିନି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ମୋ ହୃଦୟରେ କହୁଛି ହେଲା ମୁଁ ତତେ ଜୀବନ ବହୁତ ମୁଁ ସେଟା କହିପାରିବିନି ଆଉ।
ତାହେଲେ ତୋର କହିବା ହିଁ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. Fucking asshole. Better you bug it off.